So this is the top coat using Pearl X powder. These are going to be the very top of the coaster should the owner choose. Slightly uneven, but not too terribly bad. But no bubbles, so that's good. This one here, this was the bottom piece, and I was just cleaning up some of the holes I had drilled in there. There were some little tiny bubbles I was trying to, or I actually covered up on that one. That's going to hold these four. Give you a close-up of each one, the design there. So it has some tiny little mica powder in there, a little bit of glitter, different levels of pores in there. So then when this dries and you want to lift it up, it has just a little bit slight translucency to it. And now with the sun, you can really see the shimmer. Try to hold it down to kind of level. That's the actual colors there. Some of these colors are like a neon effect, a bright pink in the sun. If you'd like your own set, contact Whimsy Rae's Artistry. I also teach drawing classes, drawing faces, and much more. So acrylic pours as well here in my garage. Whimsy Rae's Artistry. Thank you for watching.